They're off. In the Seattle Slew, Conquest Windy City to the front. Securitiz on the outside, away running in second. Backside of the moon, and Do You Know Something from off the pace. And now Do You Know Something is going to rush through on the inside and put some pressure on Conquest Windy City. Securitiz sticks with them. And now the trailer is backside of the moon, who is 3.5 lengths behind as the field runs up the backstretch. Conquest Windy City well off the rail in front through a 24.14 quarter. Securitiz is on the outside. Do You Know Something is there, right toward the rail. And backside of the moon's not far behind either. Just 2 lengths off the lead running up the backstretch. So now there goes Do You Know Something to take the lead on the inside. Conquest Windy City sits second. Securitiz is just to their outside, and backside of the moon's on the rail and now moves up a spot into third after a 47.3 half mile. Moving for the far turn, Do You Know Something, the leader by a neck. On the outside, Conquest Windy City is second. Between those two, it's backside of the moon, and Securitiz is under a ride to keep up as they make their way around the far turn. Conquest Windy City on the far outside. Do You Know Something along the rail, backside of the moon splits them. And now the three of them are right together, and Securitiz is full out behind them. Last, as they come toward the top of the stretch. And it is backside of the moon who has a narrow lead here. Conquest Windy City comes 3 wide. Do You Know Something cuts the corner. Securitiz fourth with a furlong to run. Backside of the moon in front. Backside of the moon, the leader by 1.5 lengths now. Securitiz, who's been under a drive, has suddenly moved up into second on the outside and is gaining ground. On backside of the moon, here comes Securitiz. It's going to be close. It's going to be Securitiz. He got there over backside of the moon. Then Do You Know Something in Conquest Windy City in 1 minute 50.19.